Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to look at how to create ChatGPT account. So when we say ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence or AI chatbot that is very powerful tool in today's tech space, which you don't need an account before using it. In fact, a lot of people use this chat GPT to do variety of tasks like learning new things, drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, getting recommendations, or just chatting for fun. If you are a student, you are a worker, whatever you do that you use the computer, you can actually use the chat GPT to facilitate some of your tasks. Now let's look at how we will be able to create an account. Now what is the importance of creating chat GPT account? When you have an account with ChatGPT, you actually unlock some features. Some features like the voice input. If you don't have ChatGPT account, you can't be texting or messaging with the ChatGPT bot with voice message. If you have an account, you can use the voice message. You can also know your history and continue from your history. If you've searched something before and maybe you've forgotten and you want to go back to it, the history is kept for you, so you can go back to them. So you can also personalize your account. That means you can do a whole lot of things that you can't do without an account. Now let's look at how to create the account so that it will facilitate the work that we do. So now you will visit your favorite browser. This is my favorite browser. Then inside the address bar right here, I will type ChatGPT. Okay, so after opening it, I will click on the first link that I'll get right here. I will open this ChatGPT. So there we go. This is the ChatGPT. You can actually ask any question right here and the chatbot will reply you. And this is very efficient and very effective. Now, let me ask the ChatGPT what is ChatGPT. Now, it is going to tell me something about ChatGPT. So now, you see I don't have an account. I will say stay logged out. No, now the ChatGPT has responded to my chat. But then I don't have a lot of features without the account. So I'm going to create an account so that I will be unlocking a lot of features in this ChatGPT. So now on this side, you can see sign up right here. You click on the sign up to open the sign up for you. So now I'm waiting for the sign up process. Now it has opened something for me to enter my email. It also says that I can actually log in with my Gmail or Microsoft account or Apple account. So if you have any of these accounts, you can just click on it. I want to go for the Google account, so I'll click on this particular one. That's the first one. Continue with Google. Now my account will show here. I will click on my name to help me create the account. So it is asking me if I want to continue. All my information will be used in ChatGPT account. So I said yes, they should continue. So now it is asking me for my full name. So I will type my full name here. Okay, then I will give it my date of birth. Okay, so that is okay. I will click on continue. Now I will wait for ChatGPT to log me in to my home page so that I'll be able to do a lot with the ChatGPT. So there we go. Now I have an account with ChatGPT. This is how to create ChatGPT account. And now you can see that I can type here. Okay, so after typing what is ChatGPT, look at something. You can see where my mouse is moving. Today, new chat. I have a lot there. Now, this is my history. So if I go and come back, I'll be able to do whatever I want with this history. So that is one of the important that I told you about with the ChatGPT. So you can also see this guy right here, use voice mode. That means you can actually use the voice to communicate with the chatbot to help you do any work that you want to do. Okay, so this is how to create ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and please, if you have any question, put it at the comment section for me. Thank you for watching. Peace.